Hi, in front of me is Oppo A54 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Oppo. First of all, you need to open tab menu. Now we need to locate one-handed mode icon. If it's not over here, you need to click at the top right corner of your tab menu and locate it over here. Then we need to drag it over here and go back. Now when I click on this icon, I can see that one-handed mode is on. If you wish to change placement of this screen, you can always tap on this icon over here, and if you want to go back, tap on the gray icon at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!